Hi, this is Nick Barnett with CrossFit Buckhead doing uh, the week 5 best hour of the day affiliate university lesson. First thing I'm going to say is I need to get a bigger whiteboard so this will be easier to see. So the WOD that I chose for this is going to be 2 rounds of a 600-meter run, 20 burpees over the bar, 20 squat cleans, RX weights are 115.75, and then 20 strict handstand push-ups. With that being said, the goal for this workout, the stimulus is going to be between 15 and 20 minutes to get this done. And let's talk about how we're going to break this workout down. So to start, we have the 600-meter run. Um, so what I want us to pick for this today would be something that's going to take us about 3 minutes. Um, so the first scaling option that we'll talk about for intermediate athletes, maybe that's just a little bit far. We're not a great runner. I still want us running if we can, in which case, let's maybe scale back to a 400-meter run. Within 3 minutes, that should be reasonable. If we have an injury, or maybe there's something else that's keeping us from running. The next scale that I will have is we're going to hop on the bike. If we're feeling good, but maybe our knee is just having issues here, 30 cows for our men, 24 cows for our ladies on that bike. Scaling options, we can bring that back to 24-20 on that bike to make sure we're getting the stimulus of that run in. Next movement we're going to go through is going to be the 20 burpees over the bar. The goal for this is about 2 minutes. So what we're expecting here is approximately 2 minutes per rep. Uh, this is something that, especially for my intermediate athletes and even some of my scales, I really want to keep this burpee movement to be the same. One scale I might give for this is going to be we're just going to hit regular burpees. In case we don't like jumping over the bar, we're uncomfortable with that, we're going to burpee in place, or we're going to hit that burpee and step over that bar between reps to get that stimulus in. Um, we could also potentially scale that down for up downs. And then if we do have an injury, let's say our shoulder is unhappy, maybe we're going to burpee to a box. And then we're going to hop up on that box to make sure we're still hitting that jump and we're getting that stimulus in um, within that 2 minute time frame. Next, we have the 20 squat cleans. RX weight's 115.75. And I want us to think about 2 minutes for this as well, with uh, basically we're looking for 10 a minute here or so. The first way we can bring that back is the weight. Um, if 115.75 is heavier, maybe we're looking at 95.65. Pick a weight that's comfortable there. Make sure we're getting that stimulus and we can do it within that time frame. A scale that we have, maybe for our newer athletes, is we're going to bring that down to a hang squat. We're going to take the pull from the ground out of the way and really focus on form of getting under that bar with that hang squat, and we're going to choose weight accordingly. And then finally, if maybe we have an injury that makes squatting uncomfortable, we'll leave these at power today. Hopefully, we can leave this to the same weight at 115.75. But once again, all of these options, weight is going to be the most key. And then finally, we have strict handstand push-ups, barring for about 90 seconds. First scale we can hit is kipping. Make sure we can hit those kipping push-up, pull-ups, work through that. Harder cardio, less movement there. For our scale, we can bring those reps down. If we have our handstand push-ups, but that's a lot of volume, we'll bring that down. And then finally, we're going to take it to a push-up alternative, maybe a pike, maybe a regular push-up, something that we're going to get weight on that chest and that shoulder to build strength in that movement. Thank you. Bye.